Welcome to this educational video on yield farming, one of the most popular ways to earn returns on cryptocurrency. In this video, we'll explore how yield farming works, the different strategies you can use, and the important risks you need to understand before getting started. This is part of our DeFi series, where we break down complex concepts into simple, easy-to-understand lessons. So, what exactly is yield farming? Yield farming is the practice of locking your crypto assets into DeFi protocols to earn passive income. Think of it like depositing money in a savings account, but instead of a bank, you're using decentralized finance platforms. By providing your crypto to these platforms, you earn rewards through interest payments, token rewards, and trading fees. The three key components are earning returns on your assets, locking them in smart contracts, and the ability to automatically compound your earnings over time. The yield farming process is straightforward and happens in three main steps. First, you deposit your crypto assets into a DeFi protocol. Second, you provide liquidity to a pool, which means your assets are used to facilitate trading and other financial activities on the platform. Third, you earn rewards and fees generated from the trading activity in that pool. These rewards typically come in the form of the platform's native tokens, additional crypto, or a share of the trading fees. The entire process is automated through smart contracts. There are four main types of yield farming strategies you can use. Liquidity pools involve providing pairs of tokens to decentralized exchanges, where you earn trading fees plus liquidity provider rewards. Staking allows you to lock tokens in protocols to earn governance tokens and interest. Lending involves supplying your assets to lending platforms where you earn interest from borrowers. Finally, yield aggregators are platforms that automatically optimize your returns by moving your assets across multiple protocols to find the maximum yield. Each strategy has different risk and reward profiles. When evaluating yield farming opportunities, you'll often see returns expressed as APY, which stands for annual percentage yield. APY represents the total return you can expect over 1 year, including the effects of compounding. Your actual returns come from three main sources: trading fees generated by the liquidity pool, token rewards distributed by the protocol, and the compounding effect of reinvesting your earnings. It's important to understand that APY rates can change frequently based on market conditions, so what looks attractive today might be different tomorrow. One of the biggest risks in yield farming is something called impermanent loss. This is a temporary loss that occurs when the prices of tokens in a liquidity pool diverge from their original ratio. Here's a simple way to understand it. If you had simply held your tokens instead of providing them to a liquidity pool, you could end up with more value when prices change significantly. The loss is called impermanent because it only becomes permanent if you withdraw your assets from the pool when prices have changed. If prices return to their original ratio, the loss disappears. Beyond impermanent loss, there are several other important risks to consider. Smart contract risk refers to bugs or exploits in the protocol's code that could result in loss of funds. Impermanent loss, as we just discussed, comes from price volatility in the pools. Rug pulls happen when developers abandon a project and run away with user funds, which is more common with newer, unaudited projects. Finally, high gas fees on networks like Ethereum can significantly eat into your profits, especially if you're farming with smaller amounts. Always be aware of these risks before investing. Let's look at some of the most popular yield farming platforms. Uniswap is a leading decentralized exchange where users can provide liquidity and earn fees. PancakeSwap operates on the Binance Smart Chain and offers both exchange services and farming opportunities. Aave is primarily a lending protocol where you can earn interest on deposited assets. Curve specializes in stablecoin exchanges with optimized pools for minimal slippage. Compound is another lending and borrowing platform that rewards users with governance tokens. Yearn Finance is a yield aggregator that automatically moves your funds to maximize returns across multiple protocols. To succeed in yield farming, follow these best practices. First, research protocols thoroughly before depositing any funds. Check for audits, team transparency, and community feedback. Second, diversify your investments across multiple platforms and strategies to reduce risk. Don't put all your funds in one place. Third, start with small amounts to test protocols and understand how they work before committing larger sums. Finally, monitor your positions regularly and calculate your real returns, accounting for gas fees, impermanent loss, and token price changes. Yield farming requires active management and continuous learning. Let's recap the key points from this video. Yield farming offers a way to earn passive income through DeFi protocols by putting your crypto assets to work. There are multiple strategies available, including liquidity pools, staking, lending, and using yield aggregators, each with different characteristics. You must understand the risks involved, particularly impermanent loss, smart contract bugs, and potential rug pulls. Finally, success in yield farming requires thorough research, diversification, and starting with small amounts until you're comfortable with the process. Thank you for watching, and remember to always do your own research before investing in any DeFi protocol.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.